Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix operation could not be completed error 0x00000709 printer share problem. So to resolve this problem, you can try this method. Click on start. Here click on settings. Now here click on privacy and security. Now here click on Windows Update. Now click on Update History. So here you will see all updates to uninstalled. So just you need to reinstall. So here guys you will see a list of updates. Scroll down, click on uninstall updates. Find out just recent update, then uninstall again. Then close and restart your system. So this is the possible way guys you can try to fix and resolve this error. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.